Why spend hours trying to figure out how to teach sign language on your own? With the Time to Sign program, everything you need is ready to go. Fun, effective, and designed just for family childcare and small centers. You will get 1 year of access to our Easy Learn app and platform, full of engaging video lessons you can watch with your children, printable signs, songs, games, and more. Plus, we ship you a complete toolkit with everything you need to start teaching signs right away, no prep required. You will also get access to your own training webinars, so you can earn your in-service hours on your schedule. In just 1 day, you will feel confident, and in 2 weeks, you will be signing like a pro. Now through August 15th, 2025, take advantage of our special introductory pricing for individuals or centers. Both options include 1 full year of access to the app, a shipped toolkit, and ongoing support. Join Time to Sign and bring the power of sign language to your children, the fun and easy way.